Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find the Acidic Raion Pouch in Subnautica 2. This is especially useful for crafting the mild acid, which requires 2 times Acidic Raion Pouch. So to find it, you want to go to the starting biome, and here you'll want to scan around these coral domes, in which you might find these Acidic Raion Pouches, which you can cut using the survival multi-tool. Another location where you can find them is inside of the caves. As you can see, there are plenty of them inside of the cave, so you can go ahead and grab them. So this is pretty much all how to find the Acidic Raion Pouch in Subnautica 2. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.